Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to change the zoom level of your screen on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, this option basically modifies the default display scaling, allowing you to zoom in or zoom out to fit more or less content on the screen. So let's just say, for example, this screen here, you feel that it's too zoomed in and you want to make these icons a bit more smaller. You can do this by going to settings, and then finding the icon settings, and then from there you can go ahead and change the icon size. However, there's another way of changing this on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So first you want to go ahead and open up settings. Next you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down and find about phone. From here find software information, and here you need to go ahead and find the build number. Tap multiple times on this till you see a message where developer mode has been enabled. Go back. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down and find developer option, which is right here. Tap on this, and now you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down and find minimum width. So go ahead and tap on this. And now just remember this number 384. So this is the default width which your Samsung S25 Ultra is set to. However, if you go ahead and change this to, say, for example, 500, you'll basically zoom out. As you can see, I've zoomed out. The text is more smaller. If you press home, you'll see your screen zoomed out as well. Let's go ahead and play with this figure. So let's go ahead and make this 200. So this is more like a zoomed in version of it. So this is great for people who cannot read properly. Let's change this back to 384, which is your standard width. So this way you can fit more icons and content on the screen or make elements larger for easy viewing. So this is customized to your visual preference. So there you go guys, that is how to change the zoom level of your screen on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.